Friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am explaining non-exact differential equation of method 5. So if m dx plus n dy equal to 0 is non-exact differential equation, then 1 by m of dou n by dou x minus dou m by dou y equal to g of y. Here g of y is a continuous single variable function. Continuous single variable function. So therefore integrating factor equal to e power integration of g of y dy. So multiplying by integrating factor on both sides, then we get the general solution of m dx plus n dy equal to 0. So this is the process of fifth method. So here how to find the method 5. So in this, here m is a small function. For m dx plus n dy equal to 0, here m is a small function and this is non-exact differential equation, and g of y equal to 1 by m of dou n by dou x minus dou m by dou y. So here g of y is continuous single variable function and the integrating factor equal to e power integration of g of y dy. Okay, so multiplying by integrating factor on both sides, we get the general solution. Problems. First problem, xy cube plus y into dx plus 2 into x square y square plus x plus y power 4 dy equal to 0. So this is m dx plus n dy and non-exact differential equation. So here m equal to xy cube plus y and n equal to 2x square y square plus 2x plus 2y power 4. 2y power 4 and dou m by dou y equal to dou m by dou y equal to, here x is constant, y cube, dou by dou y of y cube is 3y square. So that is 3x y square plus dou m by dou y of y is 1, and next coming to dou n by dou x. So dou n by dou x, here 2y square into dou m by dou n by dou x of x square is 2x plus dou n by dou x of 2x is 2 and dou n by dou x of 2y power 4 is 0. So finally dou n by dou x equal to 4xy square plus 2. Therefore 1 by m of dou n by dou x minus dou m by dou y, that is equal to 1 by m value is xy cube plus y into dou n by dou x value is 4xy square plus 2 minus dou m by dou y is 3xy square plus 1. So that is minus 1. So 1 by xy cube plus y. So here 4xy square minus 3xy square is xy square. 2 minus 1 is plus 1. So 1 by, here I am taking y is common, then xy square plus 1. Here also xy square plus 1. So xy square plus 1, xy square plus 1 cancel. That is equal to 1 by y. So this is equal to g of y. So therefore g of y equal to 1 by y. So by integrating factor formula, that is e power integration of g of y dy, that is equal to e power integration of g of y is 1 by y dy. So that is integration of 1 by y formula is log y, that is equal to y. So therefore integrating factor equal to y. By multiplying integrating factor on both sides, we get the general solution. So that is y into given problem x y cube plus y dx plus 2 into y into x square y square plus x plus y power 4 dy equal to 0. So y into xy cube plus y. So that is xy power 4 plus y square dx plus 2x square y cube plus 2xy plus 2y power 5 dy equal to 0. So this is exact differential equation. So therefore integration of m dx plus integration of n dy equal to c. So integration of m value is what? X y power 4 plus y square dx plus integration of n dy. So integration of n dy contains only y terms. So here I am taking 2y power 5 dy equal to c. So y power 4 into integration of x dx plus y square into integration of 1 dx plus 2 into integration of y power 5 dy equal to 0. So y power 4 into y power 4 into integration of x is x square by 2 plus y square into integration of 1 dx x plus 2 into integration of y power 5 y power 6 by 6 equal to c. So final solution x square y power 4 by 2 plus x y square plus y power 6 by 3 equal to c. So this is our general solution. Next problem, x square y dx minus of x cube plus y cube dy equal to 0. So here m equal to x square y. So here m is a small function, so belongs to method 5, and n equal to minus x cube minus y cube. So dou m by dou y equal to x square and dou n by dou x equal to minus 3x square. So therefore dou n by dou x minus dou m by dou y. So that is 1 by m value is x square y. Dou m by dou x is minus 3x square minus x square. So 1 by x square y into minus 4x square. So here x square cancel, minus 4 by y. So this is equal to g of y. So integrating factor e power integration of g of y dy, that is equal to e power integration of minus 4 by y dy. So e power minus 4 into log y. So this is equal to y power minus 4, that is 1 by y power 4. So finally integrating factor equal to 1 by y power 4. Finally integrating factor is 1 by y power 4. By multiplying integrating factor of given problem, we get the exact differential equation. So that is 1 by y power 4 into x square y dx minus 1 by y power 4 into x cube plus y cube dy equal to 0. So x square by y cube dx minus x cube by y power 4 plus 1 by y dy equal to 0. So this is in the form of m dx plus n dy equal to 0, and this is exact differential equation. So general solution integration of m dx plus integration of n dy equal to c. So integration of m dx, that is x square by y cube dx, plus integration of n dy. So n dy here, this is n term, and removing x term, then minus 1 by y dy equal to c. So 1 by y cube into integration of x square is x cube by 3, minus integration of 1 by y is log y equal to c. So therefore x cube by 3y cube minus log y equal to c. Next problem, y power 4 plus 2y into dy plus xy cube plus 2y power 4 minus 4x dy equal to 0. So here m equal to y power 4 plus 2y and n equal to xy cube plus 2y power 4 minus 4x. So dou m by dou y equal to 4y cube plus 2 and dou n by dou x equal to y cube minus 4. So 1 by m of dou n by dou x minus dou m by dou y. So 1 by m value is y power 4 plus 2y dou n by dou x y cube minus 4 minus dou m by dou y. So minus 4y cube minus 2. 1 by y power 4 plus 2y into y cube minus 4y cube. So minus 3y cube minus 6. That is equal to minus 3 common y cube plus 2. By here I am taking y is common, then y cube plus 2. So y cube plus 2, y cube plus 2 cancel, minus 3 by y. So this is g of y. Integrating factor equal to e power integration of g of y dy. So therefore e power integration of g of y minus 3 by y dy. So e power minus 3 log y. So this is y power minus 3, that is equal to 1 by y cube. So our required integrating factor is 1 by y cube. By multiplying integrating factor on both sides of given problem. So that is 1 by y cube of y power 4 plus 2y dx plus 1 by y cube of xy cube plus 2y power 4 minus 4x dy equal to 0. So here y plus 2 by y square dx plus x plus 2y minus 4x by y cube dy equal to 0. So this is in the form of m dx plus n dy equal to 0, and this is exact differential equation. So general solution is integration of m dx plus integration of n dy equal to c. So integration of m dx, y plus 2 by y square dx plus integration of n dy is 2y dy equal to c. So here y into integration of 1 dx plus 2 by y square into integration of 1 dx plus 2 into integration of y dy equal to c. So y into integration of 1 dx is x plus 2 by y square x plus 2y square by 2 equal to c. So our final solution is xy plus 2x by y square plus y square equal to c. Next problem, y plus y square dx plus xy dy equal to 0. So here m equal to y plus y square and n equal to xy. So dou m by dou y equal to 1 plus 2y and dou n by dou x equal to y. So our condition is 1 by m of dou n by dou x minus dou m by dou y. So 1 by m is y plus y square and dou n by dou x is y minus dou n by dou y. So 1 minus 2y. So that is equal to 1 by y plus y square of y minus 2y is minus y minus 1. So here I am taking y is common, then 1 plus y minus is common, then y plus 1. So therefore minus of 1 plus y by y into 1 plus y. So 1 plus y cancel, minus 1 by y. So this is g of y. So integrating factor is e power integration of g of y dy. So that is equal to e power integration of minus 1 by y dy. So e power minus log y. So that is equal to y power minus 1. So I am writing that 1 by y. So therefore integrating factor is 1 by y by multiplying integrating factor on both sides of given problem. So 1 by y into y plus y square of dx plus 1 by y into xy dy equal to 0. So here 1 plus y square by y is y dx plus x dy equal to 0. So therefore what is general solution? Integration of m dx plus integration of n dy equal to c. So integration of m dx, integration of 1 plus y dx plus integration of n dy. So here n contains only x term. So removing this term, 0 dy equal to c. So integration of 1 dx plus y into integration of 1 dx equal to c. So x plus yx equal to c. So therefore our general solution is x plus xy equal to c. That can be written as x into 1 plus y equal to c. Hope you are all understood this topic. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.